Welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Stuart, and today we have this timeless presentation of this June 23 on a 23 plate Vantage Coupe. So this was sort of towards the back end of Vantage before the new model. I guess sort of 23, 24 were the last of the Vantage cars. We just wanted to give you some of the specification highlights, not just on the outside, but also on the inside. Now this car has done just over 12,000 miles from new, and is finished in jet black. Now jet black is a pure black colour. It is a really glossy colour. There is no metallic fleck in the car, but I think it does work very well on some vehicles, Vantage being one of those, and it has been used quite a bit over the years. So this car actually does have the optional front vaned front end. So we have the later style front bumper with a bright finish grille, and then slightly different to the one with the shark nose front, we just have the corner splitters either side of the front. Now, obviously it's a personal opinion which style front end you like. I think both look very good, but particularly on a black vehicle, that with the bright finish front grille in the front just gives it that more old school classic Aston feel to the vehicle. We have the regular badges on the front and the rear of the vehicle. And then moving you down the side, and you may well have seen a video that Grace did of a new car, just running you through how you can actually spec a car really nicely but not actually spending a great deal of money. This is one of those vehicles. So we also have the snowflake wheel with the gloss black and diamond turn finish, and then the anodized brake caliper behind. So a really sort of simple feel and look to this vehicle. We have the chrome window surround, factory privacy glass on the rear 3/4 of the vehicle, and then moving you around to the rear, smoked rear lights, quad pipes in the black finish. There was no other choices on those. And then we then have the gloss black lower body package, as you can see, in and around the lower portion of the vehicle. So I think that works really well with the jet black finish on the car. Does make it all sort of one colour, but actually it does give it that sort of soft aggressive look with the more traditional components on the outside of the vehicle with the bright work finishes. The later cars had a 360 surround cameras as standard, blind spot monitoring, front and rear active parking sensors, keyless entry and keyless start. But let's take a dive on the interior. So welcome to the interior of this Vantage. Now Vantage, there was lots of different levels of interior choices. So what we have in short is I guess the sort of the lead-in seat option for Vantage, but in full leather, finished in the better leather than there was two choices of leather. So this is, I guess, sort of the lead-in interior with full leather. We still have the micro mesh headlining, so it does give you a sort of a slightly sportier feel, and does feel a little bit different than having an Alcantara interior or an Alcantara headlining. But we do have the Sports Plus steering wheel, which is electronic with your cruise control and speed limiter, all finished off with a chrome jewellery package on the inside, so your paddles, your switch gear surroundings, door pulls, and also your speaker covers. And then also your HVAC control dials on here as well. So that will match the outside. So you've got the outside matching the inside and the inside matching the outside. The prominent colour on the inside, as you can see, is obsidian black with the gloss black surrounds around the air vents, as you can see. We have memory seats. We also have, as I say, 360 cameras, all finished off inside with a contrast stitching finished in silver. We also have the embossed logo on the headrest, quite an unusual option. Was a bit more expensive than having the contrast stitching. I think it looks really cool on these seats. And then a black carpet on the bottom. But if you want further details of this vehicle, do give us a call here at the showroom or visit our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk.